Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of hairstyles you can see in front of you. For long hairs, for short hairs also, you can do this beautiful attraction collection. You can made it at home himself. So dear friends, you can attend parties, birthday party, marriage party. So please try this collection, so attractive collection. So dear friends, for round faces, long faces, beautiful and fantastic collection you can see in front of you. So dear friends, please subscribe my channel. When you subscribe, you will get all the notification of my videos. So dear friends, please like my videos, share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the comment section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? So please try this collection, enjoy this video and watch this video till the end, and please subscribe my channel. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new so dear friends, now goodbye. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.